Hello everyone, myself Krishna Fidavya. Today I am discussing about my individual reflection in barter system website. So our next slide is about our stakeholders. So our client is Mike, our project coordinator is Dr. Naga Doshari, our supervisor is Prabjit Kaur, project manager and backer and developer is Harsh Patel. As a user interface designer and front end developer, it's myself. Analyst and tester is Happy Patel. So our next slide is problem statement and objective. So our problem statement we just define in one statement. So to develop a website that allows user to barter with the items with our other users at the click of the buttons and allows the admin convenient management of the barter market business. And project over is a website to facilitate the barter exchanges amongst users and a convenient and easy to use platform and easy administration and management. The next slide is project overview. So our project name is Barter Market. Our project start on 18th of November 2021 and our project ends on 20th of February 2022. And the duration of our project is 3 months and we use agile methodologies and we deliver sprint 1, 2, 3 and product backlogs as well. Promo video, product brochures and project write-up. Our next our next slide is my biggest three contribution. So first of all, we just work divide according to each team member of their skills. Um, as a front-end developer, I did the designer and the developing part. I use a JavaScript, React.js and Next.js and Tailwind CSS for my designing part. So we just talk about the Tailwind CSS is basically a utility first CSS framework for rapidly building custom the interface and Next.js means JavaScript is now a time there is it's a React framework for developing a single page JavaScript applications, and as a user interact digitally and more impatient as well. And the JavaScript is the benefits for the we use the Next.JavaScript is the most part related to speed and performance. Our next slide is user manual. So I just put this screenshot for our user manual. So there is a user's registration page, login page, which I did as my contribution, and the lots of things. Next slide is a project storyboard contribution. So in project storyboard contribution, I did some part like communication plus how we can communicate with our client, our supervisor, and what was our meetings with the team members. So we did every Tuesday meetings arranged with the supervisor for the 1 hour meeting which we will discuss our progress, and the project she is also helping us lot of. Then a project scope. So the project scope is the users exchange the items for the barters as well, and what is the scopes and what is out of scope. Collaboration, how we can collaborate all the team members due to COVID. So we just meet up while Google Meet or WhatsApp and Zoom meetings we did every week. So this is our Gantt chart contribution. System flow diagram for admin. So like a system flow diagram is a convenient way to convenient way to collaboration with client as well. So client can see all the activities which was performed by the admin. So here we can say that like login, enter dashboard, view all transaction, manage posts, manage users, we view feedback, and like this. And this is the system flow diagram for users. This is the flow diagram which is the convenient way to see by the client, and he can understand what was the activities performed by the users. So what was the our user stories like this. Next is contribution as sprint 1. So I just put some screenshot for the sprint 1. I did design for that. So sign up page, sign in page, and reset password. This is the contribution for sprint T, sprint 2. So here we can see there is a dashboard client, and the second is for publish a new item for user who wants to publish a new item for the barter. Then this is for the barter request, who wants to send the barter request. He wants to accept or decline as total. It is totally on the user. The next slide is for our contribution in sprint 3. So here we can see there is a user's dashboard, then there is a rate of the item. User can also rate the item as well, and give some feedback on how what was the uh, uh, how was the experience with the barter market website. Next is admin dashboard remove post. So did I just put some screenshot regarding my work for this and coding as well, and put some user view all the items, so user can view all the items from here. So I just put the screenshot here for that. What the new things did I learn? So I learned a lot of React and Net framework of the JavaScript. I learned about Prisma library as the backend developer. I used it for the data implementation. A lot of research was done by me to implement the requirements into the final product. Issue faced in the project. So we issued lots of face the issues in this project. Database integration problems as a support Prisma with MongoDB took up lot of time, which should not have been the case. There were some problems faced with the time management, as there was little to no time allocated for changes. Conclusion. So this project involved development of the barter system website. My role was to design and develop the website. I translate user requirements into the design and develop. Thank you everyone for listening me.